Professor Foot walks in, puts his phone down on his desk, and presses play on an audio as he hands out the test results. Yes, it's an audio of lightning and thunder. And Professor Foot says, well, I figure most of you must be involved in the Stone Cold Melton, son of Carpenter and Mary impersonator industries because you just got struck by lightning. Yes, Stone Cold Melton's lightning bolts can take the form of hangovers, to hangnails, to heart attacks, goes to cancer, all kinds of car trouble to car wrecks. There we go.